Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find all-inclusive resorts on Expedia. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Expedia app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're here, what you need to do is select hotels or choose your destination. So simply tap on stays. Here what you need to do is select the destination where you want to find an all-inclusive resort, example Mexico, Dominican Republic, etc. You can also enter the check-in and check-out dates to narrow down your search results. Once you have selected your destination and date, you will be taken to the search results page. Here you can apply filters to narrow your search to specifically find all-inclusive resorts. Now using filters on Expedia, after searching the hotels in your chosen destination, tap on the filter button, usually at the top or bottom of the screen. Select all-inclusive under the amenities or property types section. Apply the filter and all-inclusive resorts will appear in search results. You can also sort it by your preferences as well, like price, star rating or guest reviews to find the best all-inclusive resorts that fit your budget and preferences. You can also look for special deals on all-inclusive resorts such as discounted rates or free upgrades. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.